Hello, welcome to the first lesson. So first off, just open any internet browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and then go to spark.adobe.com. After that, you should see a homepage similar to this one. You can take a look at some of the graphics they've already designed, and then they have some other information going around. But let's get started making you some amazing graphics. So just click the Get Started Now button. Should bring you to a login page. You can use your Facebook or Google account or sign up for a totally new account. And it's a very basic sign up page, first name, last name, email, password, and then you can put in a fake birthday. It doesn't really matter. Uncheck this if you don't want emails from them. Let me fill this in really quickly. Alright, put a random birthday in. Make sure I'm 18 at least. Then you just click sign up. And that's basically it. And Google Chrome is asking me if I want to save or not. Up to you.